Hey everybody, I am back once again. Got the rear seat removed. I'm going to be removing the liner for the top eventually. As you can see, this will be all going probably in the next couple of weeks. And I'm also going to do away with this glass panel, and I will probably either put something on top of it as it is, like a carbon fiber or a piece of nice aluminum that will stretch out maybe 2 inches around the perimeter of the lining, so that way I won't have no leakage or anything inside the car. So if this glass or something happens, then this won't shatter, it'll just buckle. So I'm going to be looking into that. Hopefully I could get someone and talk to some fabricators that we could take this glass out and fabricate a nice piece, maybe carbon fiber piece, over that square space. And also I will be removing the door panels. So these door panels will be coming out. I will be removing the speakers. I saw some videos on it. It's very easy, very simple to do. So I'm going to be doing that. And if I could electronically know how to rig it, because everything is by adapters, plug-in adapter to the female adapter and the male, and you got electricity to roll the windows up and do the other functions with the mirror. So if I could see how I could do away with that and maybe put something else in its place with this heavy glass, I'm going to look into that. But this is future plans. But so far the overhead is coming out. I'm going to disconnect the rest of the side airbags, which are already disconnected, but I'm just going to take them out, as well as remove this paneling and hopefully get something to cover the sunroof, because once again this is going to be a full-blown track car hopefully in the next 2 to 3 years, and I'm just chipping away at it one thing at a time. And if you walk with me and coming over here, you will see my Brey harness bar that just came in today. I can't wait to install it. Everything works, everything's functional. So I'm not going to put it in yet because I have to order a couple more track seat adapters that's designed for a 6-point harness and seats. These adapters is only designed for a 4-point. And what I do as far as my track events with the Nassau Northeast region, I'll be going with a 6-point. So these 4 points is no good to me. That's why the harness bar will not be going back in the car no time soon, because I have to order the right adapters. So when I do go full race seats and full 6-point straps, then the adapters will be in place for the race seats to go into. And also, along with that, if anybody's interested in just a good harness bar for a 2016 plus Camaro, this is the bar you will get if you're not going to go to a half cage or full cage. And this model number, I believe, is R-1155. R-1155 for 2016 plus Camaros. And once again, I would not recommend this in a daily driven Camaro. I'm doing this because this car is slowly transforming into a track car. And I have my little buggy over there, my trusted everyday Chevy Cruze LT. And also we have a Toyota RAV4 in the family. So my Camaro is slowly becoming a track car. Okay, so I won't recommend no one putting this in the car to look good or whatever, because if something, God forbid, something happens on a highway or street and you don't got no protection and this bar cuts loose and you don't have no helmet on, you're going to be in a world of hurt. So please, this, I'm saying to those who do track, have helmet and all this safety equipment, this is for you, but not for daily driven cars. And I'm not telling no one that daily drives a car to go get this. This is for off-road only. off-road only. So once again, this is the Brey harness bar for 2016 plus Camaros, and it's model number R-1155. Okay, you heard it from me. Once again, this is for off-road use only. I do not recommend putting anything like this in a daily driven car. Okay, everyone. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you very much for watching.